Ethereum is about to self-destruct and a bomb is going off. The Ethereum miners will have to leave this destruction of the proof-of-work chain in search of new homes. Where will the ETH hash rate go? Who will be the proof-of-work blockchain to swallow up all that computing power? We'll find out in about 10 minutes because it's time for Chico Crypto.
Whoa! Whoa! You're a master victory! What the fuck? What? You're doing it! You're actually doing it! Oh!
Yeah, Ethereum did it. Yesterday, they completed the final step before the Ethereum merge, the Bellatrix upgrade. This upgrade was necessary for the merge to go off without a hitch, combining the proof-of-stake chain with the current execution layer. So now that this has happened, when merge? Well, Vitalik tweeted about it yesterday. He said, the merge is still expected to happen around September 13th to 15th. What's happening today is the Bellatrix hard fork, which prepares the chain for the merge. So when is the official date of the merge? September 13th, the 14th, or September 15th? Well, you cannot put an official date on it. The merge will not be implemented at a specific block, but rather by when terminal total difficulty, TTD, reaches a certain number. And Vitalik tweeted this specific number it needs to reach back in early August. Going to wenmerge.com, we can see they estimate the difficulty bomb to go off in 6 days, aka September 13th, and the mainnet merge, based on the current TTD, to happen the day after, in 7 days, September 14th. So under current conditions, the merge will happen September 14th. But because the network is live and TTD can fluctuate, it could happen earlier or it could happen later. But I'm sure many of you are now asking yourself, what the hell is the Ethereum difficulty bomb? Well, the difficulty bomb is an update built into the protocol that will significantly increase the complexity of proof-of-work calculations, and therefore the time required to process transactions. You can think of it as a kind of self-destruct mechanism meant to incentivize the transition to proof-of-stake. And the difficulty bomb also stops Ethereum miners from doing lazy forks. If you fork Ethereum, you will have to coordinate to remove the bomb. Otherwise, your fork will become unusable for miners. So miners can definitely fork Ethereum to create a fork where proof of work is still the consensus mechanism, but they can't be lazy and just use the existing Ethereum software as is. They need to do their own fork in order to remove the bomb. So when the bomb goes off next week, estimated September 13th, the Ethereum miners will be faced with exponentially increasing difficulty to mine blocks, which will force them to find new homes for their hashing power, or keep mining with a fork who is able to successfully remove the difficulty bomb.
Uncle, you better come look at this.
Dial 911.
So where are the Ethereum miners going to go? Well, there are the obvious ones like Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is the OG Ethereum fork. It was created all the way back in 2016 when a serious hack happened on the Ethereum chain, the DAO hack. But some people think of Ethereum Classic as the original Ethereum, as Ethereum had to fork to recover the stolen funds, while ETH Classic was the chain who kept things as is. So of course this chain is going to start sucking up hash power as it's established, has a community, and even large investor support. Checking out the hash rate of ETH Classic over the past year, we can see the hash rate exploded since July, from about 21 terahashes to basically 50 terahashes, a 138% increase in just a couple of months. Although if we switch to the 1 week chart, the hash rate has stayed pretty stagnant. So where is the hash rate going this week? Well, there are the other known places like Ravencoin, but today we are going to dive into lesser known proof of work coins, which could swallow all that hash rate. If we check out the hash rate chart of FLUX, formerly known as Zcash, over the past year, we can see its hash rate has exploded over the past month, beginning in early August. Even this past week, the hash rate has been climbing and climbing. And looking at the price chart of FLUX, the increasing hash rate is correlating with an increase in price. Beginning August 1st, when FLUX's hash rate started exploding, the price was about 60 cents. Just recently, FLUX hit $1.40, just an increase of 133% in a month. So what is FLUX? Well, checking out the FLUX website, we can see they say FLUX is a decentralized Web3 computational network, and FLUX has a significant ecosystem already built. Of course, they have their GPU mineable coin FLUX and mining pools, but also enterprise servers and nodes, the FLUX OS to run dApps, XDAO their community governance, Zelcore their multi-coin wallet, Fusion their blockchain bridges, and DeFi with parallel assets. Parallel assets? Yeah, FLUX has integrated multiple blockchains of parallel assets to leverage the features of each blockchain while not being fully dependent on a single one. They are connected to Ethereum, Dana, BSC, TRX, Solana, and many others to come, like Cardano, Cosmos, Avalanche, Matic, and one more to be announced. Now we could see a big hash rate jump from FLUX very soon, as FLUX is implementing an upgrade to their proof of work algorithm called proof of useful work. Checking out this infographic on it, the mining hash power of FLUX will be used not only for mining FLUX, but for useful things like online rendering, cloud gaming, and artificial intelligence. This means extra money for the GPU miners of FLUX. They will use the hash power in the pools for whatever makes the miners the most money. Another blockchain not on too many people's radar about to swallow up a bunch of Ethereum hash rate is ERGO. Checking out the hash rate of ERGO, even over the past week, the hash rate has jumped from a low of 15 terahashes to about 25 terahashes. This is an increase of about 66% in just a week. And of course, the price of ERGO is following this hash rate increase. Over the past 7 days, ERGO has gone from just over $3 to a peak of $5 a couple days ago. Although ERGO and FLUX are already high market cap coins, going to CoinGecko, we can see FLUX is ranked number 124 with a market cap of over 322 million. Just below FLUX is ERGO at rank 137 with a market cap of over 278 million. Is there a lower cap coin who could be in a position to break out and swallow up a ton of hash power? Well, yes, there is, and it even almost has a higher hash rate than Ethereum Classic, FLUX, and ERGO combined. This is KASPA. If we go to KASPA's hash rate, we can see it has exploded since July, going from about 7 terahashes to over 72 terahashes today. Checking out KASPA's CoinGecko, we can see even with the higher hash rate, it's ranked way lower than both FLUX and ERGO, all the way down at rank 507, with a market cap of only just over 32 million. And checking out the price chart, with the explosion in hash rate, the price has also followed over the past month. Now, KASPA uses a certain consensus mechanism called Ghost DAG, which allows the blockchain to process simultaneous blocks. Right now, KASPA can process 1 block per second, which is 600 times faster than BTC. Now, the reason I like KASPA out of all coins mentioned today is their invention of Ghost was actually referenced in the Ethereum white paper and used in Ethereum. And the KASPA founder was also mentioned. As we can see from the white paper, it says, "The greediest, heaviest observed subtree Ghost protocol is an innovation first introduced by Yonatan Sompolinsky and Aviv Zohar in December of 2013. It then says Ethereum implements a simplified version of Ghost, which only goes down 7 levels. Yonatan Sompolinsky is the founder of KASPA. As we can see from his Medium, he is writing about KASPA's development and the work being done. Yonatan is a serious player in the blockchain development world. don't sleep on the newest development of Ghost called GhostDAG. Well, viewers, the Ethereum merge is going to be a time of big change in the blockchain space, and where the hash rate goes could create new blockchain all-stars. I see Ethereum Classic, FLUX, ERGO, and KASPA being the ones who suck up a large majority of this hashing power, but I'm most bullish on KASPA. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.